Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make multiple pages into one page or how to put multiple pages into one page. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now select Organize option and here you will find this Merge Pages option. Select here. Now here select your page size, standard letter size. Also you can say margin and here you can say so a specific page or selected. I will select all pages and pages type. Here you can choose booklet. I'll choose multiple pages per sheet. Here for example there have custom page and this one 9 pages per sheet and see this. Also here you can add 6 pages per sheet and I'll add custom page. Five page on sheet and see this, and you can align this top and see this. Also you can align it bottom and this one middle. Also you can align this horizontal, type here 1 and this box type 5 and see this is vertical. Also you can align this left and this one right and make it center and remove source space after margining and simply select OK and see this. Now 5 pages put on each pages, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.